Merry Christmas, friends, from the Kirfcollab makeup group. Our host is Miss Michelle, and these are the beautiful ladies that join us this month, and their names and links will be in my description box. This is our Christmas holiday look. Thank you for stopping in. Friends, as I do my holiday look, bring on the glitz. Our color today is going to be some green and gold. So I'm just moisturizing my skin just a little bit. Thank you so much for stopping in. So friends, I finally bucked down and bought me some El Macarage primer. And they said this primer is real good for fine lines and covering your pores. So I just have a little fine lines right between where those 11s, and I always try to hide those. So I'm going to use this and just see how it works. And friends, as I apply this on, I'll just chit chat with you guys just a little bit. So guys, what was going on with me is that I was kind of feeling a little under weather the last few weeks. And so I had to just get some rest, because when I get those headaches or feeling out of balance, I just get too tired and I just got to stop. So I'm still here just trying to balance, and I feel a whole lot better. And this video right on time, because I sure do need just a little bit of makeup on today, not much. You know, sometimes it's doing a little bit can lift your spirit up. And this is the El Madurai skincare. I'm not sure exactly what it's for, but it did come free. Now my eyeshadow, I'm going to use Juvia's eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use, it's like a hunter green color and the gold. But before I use that, I'm just going to try to apply just a little bit of base shadow underneath it. Okay, friends, I did mess up here. I forgot to put the primer on before I put the base shadow on. So that's why I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot. Haven't done this in a minute because I don't wear eyeshadow all the time. So I'm going to try to put the primer on, but I'm not going to remove it. So this is one of those little things you do sometime. This is just a black regular eyeshadow, and I'm just going to see how this comes together. I never know how these colors are going to come together, so I will see. Hope y'all having a blessed and a prosperous day. Thank you so much for stopping in. That hunter green color is called Aja. Aja. It's a deep green. And also, friends, our host, Miss Michelle at Age Grateful, it's her birthday this week. It's actually today as I'm doing this video. So happy birthday to Miss Michelle and all the December ladies and family. Happy birthday. Now, friends, as I'm looking at this tunnel green, this is a very beautiful dark green color. Very beautiful for the winter months. So the gold color is called Burano. So that's a beautiful soft gold color I'm going to put on top of the green color. It does brings a glittery look to it. And I am going to add, I have some glitter eyeshadow. It's like gold also that I added on it too. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I added that with it also. It's like a glittery gold. Since it's Christmas, I put a little sparkly on it. It may look like I have on foundation, but I don't. But I am going to just put on a little bit of the El Maquillage, the foundation. And being that this is a holiday look, you want to look really sporty, if I can say it like that. And guys, didn't all the ladies look so beautiful? Please check out their channels, their names in the description, and our host, Miss Michelle. It will be in my description box. And we appreciate you from stopping and watching us. And this is the last month of December 2022. So I hope y'all enjoying yourself and don't get too stressed out during these holidays. Enjoy life. But friends, I'm just going to contour just a little bit to bring out my cheekbones a little bit here. And I did try to put on my lashes. I don't know, sometimes I can put on them lashes so good and next minute I just can't get them on. But nevertheless, the lashes do bring out the look. So I'm going to have to just work on those lashes a little bit more. But thank you so much for watching. And if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Guys, tell me what you think. You don't really need too much of foundation or makeup. I just put on as needed here. But like I said, this is right on time. Because sometimes, we just need a little lift, ladies. That's all. So ladies, I'm just touching up a little areas on my face, and I just kind of just put a little light lip gloss on, not really too much powder or anything, but just a little bit. So please tell me what y'all think about this look. And I thank you so much, guys, for y'all coming and watching us do our little beauty look. Guys, I'm telling you, go check these ladies out. Ladies, you will learn something because each one of us have different techniques. Friends, tell me what you think about my holiday look. I thank you so much, and I hope y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. I love you. God bless you from Penny, and I'll see you on my next video. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.